tiny castle?
It's very sharp.
Is it really?
This is like a paper cut central.
No.
Like if you want to...
Stop, shake someone with your... Everyone, so it's vision board time, 2024. I hope you guys are working on your vision board. I have mine right here, and my friend Natalie, she's doing hers too. It is gonna be a girls' day and a vision board day. So what you're gonna need is your photos, and just like Amber Scholl, I like to do a central quote. I get a lot of my inspiration from Amber Scholl, and that's actually why I do my vision boards. I have right here, I'm going to hit 1 million followers on YouTube. You guys might remember that this year I got my $100,000, yes! $100,000, 100,000 follower plaque. Woo! That was hard to get out. So this year we're working for the 1 million follower plaque. So I photoshopped myself on the 100 million, the 1 million subscribers.
You have money on the market, baby.
Oh my gosh, I guess. And then my central quote for the year is going to be make the most of it. So basically taking my platform to the next level, taking everything I do to the next level, and also making the most of life. So that is going to be like my main idea for the year. Also, big announcement, and also Natalie too. Big...
They're concentrating very seriously.
I am going to be making my own brand this year, so look out for that. And also be sure to subscribe to my mailing list down below. You can get notified when we launch everything and get some sneak peeks. So this is to represent that because it's going to be fabulous. If you guys like my style, you'll love it. So be sure to go and add your name to the mailing list. Also, we got a little charcuterie board going on over here because we're doing like a full girls' day. Natalie got me these for Christmas. How cute are these? How cute is Natalie?
We will link them down below.
And we got some like pink lemonade that we got from Trader Joe's. And this one is, I'm going to spend more time with girlfriends this year. So we're already doing that, yay. And I also want to travel international this year. I don't do very much international travel, so that is definitely on the list this year. But really cool, Disney actually invited me to a content creator trip for next month, and we're going to the Bahamas, so I'm already starting on that, which is very exciting. Stay tuned. And this also represents my brand that's coming out this year. I'm already working on it, actually. I have samples coming. I liked this picture because, well, she's obviously fabulous, but it says dramatic entrance on the top. And if that's not me, I don't know what is. This is actually like a representation of traveling and also like the fashion and, you know, just kind of the overall vibe. And I have a few of those for this year. This is another one of those that's like a vibe, traveling and kind of just like romanticizing everyday life. And actually one of my goals is to romanticize life more, romanticize everything, literally everything, like the most mundane things. I want to romanticize it. So this is sort of figurative for that, or what's the word I'm looking for? Symbolic. Also, something I've always wanted to do is act, and I would love to work in the film industry this year. So it's gonna happen. I put it on the vision board last year. I took some acting classes and I really loved it, but I didn't stick with it. So we're gonna stick with it this year. We're gonna do some acting. Another thing that I've always wanted to do is learn how to swing dance. And I'm gonna do it this year. I'm gonna learn how to swing dance. So I went to the Queen Mary this year, and there was a couple there, and they were so cute, and they were swing dancing, and I was like, wow, they look so cute. Like, I wanna do that. So, and I've always wanted to, so I'm gonna do it this year. And I'm gonna make my husband do it too.
Of course, you come over when I'm cutting out one of the most awkward ones.
Okay, well.
It's downward dog.
I was like, what is that?
But it represents me wanting to stretch more because I have muscular issues, and stretching is the only thing that helps me. So stretching more.
You gotta do it.
Literally doing this.
Yes. Okay. Good.
This will be me all of 2024.
Yes. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
And now I'm gonna take everything and put it on my board, like collage style. literally been at this for how many hours? 3 hours.
Yeah.
But we've been like having lots of fun. So I finally was able to put it all together. And here is my vision board. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to get started. Okay,
Hi.
show it.
This is mine. You see the bows, the ribbon detail.
It's so beautiful. I
Thank
love
you.
it. It's
There's
a whole
lot
vibe.
of
This is
info
like the
on
one I'm
here.
most excited for
The
you.
house.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it might not happen this year, but it's gonna happen.
No, but it's on there.
It's gonna be on the vision board every year until
Until
I
it
get
happens. Yeah.
Yes.
No, it'll be this year. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this year.
Yeah.
For sure.
Wink, wink. Yeah.
So pretty. And here's mine on the floor. I am going to put some more ribbon down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with my previous vision boards and like kind of how I like I guess really celebrate my accomplishments. So it's the next day. My friend Natalie and I were gabbing so much that we lost daylight. So I had to stop filming because I only like to film with natural light. La-di-da. I just look better in natural light, okay? Anyways, we had to stop filming, so it's the next day, and I just want to show you guys what I do to celebrate my victories. I think a really important part of manifestation is giving yourself a pat on the back and celebrating everything you were able to accomplish. To me, that's a huge part of it. You're giving thanks, and you're reflecting, and you're seeing how far you've come, and celebrating those victories. So this is my vision board from last year, and I think if you guys take a look at it and you've been following me for a while, you'll know that this is definitely the vibe I had last year. I mean, a lot of this is symbolic, but my main quote for last year is dreams do come true. I basically wanted to live the fantasy life. So I feel like I really, really accomplished that last year. I started shifting my content more towards like fantasy inspired fashion and fantasy inspired content, which is where I really wanted to be. And I did that. I feel like I really, really did that. There's only a few things on here that I didn't really do. Like I didn't learn how to sew, but I realized I don't really have time to learn how to sew. I don't have the time to dedicate it. So I was okay with not completing that. I didn't stretch like I wanted to. I didn't stop looking at my phone at 8 o'clock at night. So I wanted to like only look at it from 9 to 8. And I didn't do that. Okay, naughty. But pretty much everything else I feel like I accomplished. So to celebrate my accomplishments, I've decided to do something new with my old vision boards. So I got this wax stamp kit, and it has all these pretty little wax, all this pretty wax. It has this little thing that you put a candle in, and this little thing that you put your little candle wax in. So you melt the candle wax, and it also comes with a wax seal stamp, but I didn't really love the one it came with, so I bought a kit with more wax seals. It came with a bunch of flowers, and I think I like this one with the daffodil. This one here with the daffodil on it. What I'm gonna do is, for all of the things that I've accomplished on all of my vision boards, I'm gonna go back through and I'm going to do a wax stamp on everything I've accomplished to kind of like mark it off and to celebrate, like, yay. And every time I mark something off, I'm gonna give thanks. Thank you, universe, so much. And then we can move on to something else. I'm really, really excited about this. I've never done this before, and I've always wanted to have a stamp seal set, and I was like, what do I need it for? So I found something I needed it for. And the cool thing is it actually also comes with candles, so I didn't really have to buy anything. Oh, and glitter, and rope, and tweezers. I don't know what I need that for, but
I wanna live in a cabin in the woods. I won't have any neighbors that yell. My company will be the birds and the bees, and I'll always have flowers to smell. My feet will be bare, and I'll have flowers in my hair, and the dress that I will wear will be white. I know it'll get dirty, but I don't care. It'll show where I've been and the adventures I had there. Take your worries and carry them away, and let go. Put the sun in your heart.
Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what your biggest goal is for this year, and I will send all of my good jujus your way. I cannot wait to see what you guys accomplish this year, and I cannot wait to spend another amazing year on YouTube with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, truly, from the bottom of my heart. It's been such an amazing journey. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye.
Held rose, my sailor will hold.